Cover a rectangular piece of compressed cardboard with turquoise acrylic paint. Then coat it with clear polish. Glue 2 plastic sticks to it and fasten the little table to the wall of the closet. Mark the size of a pendant base on silvery cardboard. Use toothpaste. Cut out the oval and insert it into the pendant. Glue the mirror above the desk. Cut off part of a cardboard tube. Cover it with acrylic paint. Make a little cushion out of shiny felt and synthetic stuffing, and glue it onto the tube. Place the puffy chair by the desk. The most important part of every girl's room is her wardrobe and vanity table. Barbie's no exception. All we have to do now is hang up all her clothes on the mini hangers. And decorate Barbie with a whole assortment of accessories. Check out this necklace and these earrings from a new rose collection. Trim off part of a metal jewelry base. Bend it into a necklace shape. Bend one end and put on little beads of different colors. Put a rose in the center. Bend the other end. Trim off part of the end of an earring base and glue on decorative roses. Our Barbie is practically glowing with joy. She has a whole closet to herself and new jewelry. It's every doll's dream come true. Christy keeps adjusting Barbie's house. What does she need this railing for? She finds the answer quickly. Even dolls need some plumbing privacy. Cut the form of a doll toilet lid and seat out of thin styrofoam using a curved tool to get the shape. Glue the seat and lid together with a white Band-Aid. Cover a small top piece with gold paint. Glue it to the base of a small rectangular bottle. This will be the tank. Glue the seat and lid to an empty yogurt cup. Put the 2 pieces of the doll toilet together and place the finished toilet into the doll's bathroom. Now everything is according to sanitary hygienic standards. Barbie's dream apartment is move-in ready. While Jessica is busy drawing, Christy is coming up with another idea for Barbie. Why not make an easel for her? Put an easel tripod together out of wooden coffee stirrers. Hot glue the pieces together. Glue on a perpendicular stand for the canvas. Attach another leg for support to the back, and one more stick to make sure the construction is secure. Glue on a piece of compressed cardboard. Use thumbtacks to attach paper to it. Jessica displays her finished poster on Barbie's easel. We're ready to open a whole art school for dolls. Let's put the easel in Barbie's room. Now she can create art whenever she wants. Christy likes more masculine toys. Legos, robots, cars. The whole room is covered in her stuff. What a mess! Her friends will help her tidy up. There's so much unnecessary junk in here. Like this old teddy bear. It's way past time for him to retire. But Christy won't let anyone be mean to her bear. After all, he's her backpack now. Take the soft stuffing out of an old toy. Sew 2 ribbon straps to the pocket. Attach ribbons with plastic loops to the lower part of the toy. Put the backpack straps through the adjuster loops and sew the ends of the ribbons. Even an old toy can still come in handy. Christy brought a construction set in her bear backpack. Jessica really likes this teddy bear bag. She'll take this cute new accessory for herself. It turns out that Christy isn't playing with Lego just for fun. She put together a handy-dandy stand for her phone. Make a phone holder out of Lego pieces. Put your phone into the stand. This is a real Lego base. The phone is perfectly stable, and Christy earns the title of Best Young Engineer. We've got a new assignment. Come up with an inventive way to use a toy car. Cut organizer dividers along the lines of a plastic template. Place them into the grooves of the bed of a toy truck. Fill it with useful trinkets. Christy finds a solution quickly. She makes a movable organizer out of things she just found laying around. Put whatever you need inside, and you're off to the races! Jessica and the blue-eyed girl can't find anything useful in this box. What could we even make out of puzzles and plastic figurines? That's a complicated task. But if you change your point of view, the girls just swap materials and come up with new projects right away. Hot glue 2 suction cups onto a tongue depressor. And glue soft puzzle pieces on the other side. Hang jewelry onto the puzzle pieces. Let's hurry to the mirror and try out our new device. The blue-eyed girl's organizer attaches easily to the mirror, and all her accessories find their place. How practical and useful! Jessica's invention is just as useful and practical. It's a tube squeezer. Glue some board game player pieces together. Leave a narrow opening for the tube in the middle. Decorate it with glittery nail polish and attach a label. Place a tube in the center, and not a single drop of makeup will have to go in the trash. And you can use this device as a makeup holder. What a great invention! 2 in 1! Did you like our doll life hacks? Then write in the comments which idea you'll use to play with. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new life hacks for old toys on Troom Troom.